Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my 2011 Mercedes-Benz, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete your phone and your phone contacts from the Mercedes Command Centre head unit. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is to bring it to the telephone menu, and then we're going to want to navigate down to telephone. You can see it's currently connected to my phone, Drew iPhone. So come to telephone, then come to Bluetooth telephones, come down to Drew iPhone, and then come across to the options. And we can see we've got this De-Authorise here. So hit that De-Authorise. Do you want to de-authorise Drew's iPhone? Yes. And now we can see when we go back that we're not connected to the phone anymore. So the next thing we want to also do is to delete the contacts. So come to telephone, come down and hit delete contacts. And we'll come down and say delete all contacts. Do you want to delete all contacts? Yes. So there you go folks, that's how to delete your telephone and all of your contacts from the Mercedes-Benz command system. So if you like that video, do remember to like and comment down below. It's truly appreciated. And in the future, if you're interested in learning more about DIY maintenance, service and repairs on your Mercedes-Benz on this specific vehicle, my Mercedes CLK W164 chassis, I've now produced nearly 80 videos. So you can look at those videos and you can learn how to DIY maintenance, service and repair your Mercedes-Benz safely and easily yourself. But also on the channel, we also feature a number of other vehicles. We've got the Audi A3, the Mazda 3, the Ford Ranger, the early Ford Falcon. So there really is something for everyone on the channel. And if you're interested in any of that content, do remember to subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.